Hello my friend. I want to show you merch with Viking cats that we love so much. This has become possible thanks to your support. In the online store, you can find various products and designs, which I will constantly be adding. If you like a design but can't find a product you like, don't worry. You can choose any item from over the 200 available in the store and place your favorite design on it. Among the items divided into categories, you can find men's and women's t-shirts, hoodies and sweatshirts, sportswear, hats and caps, as well as clothing for babies and cuddle toys. For home and living accessories, you can find mugs, water bottles, aprons, stickers, magnets, bags and backpacks. This online store is easy to find. In every video, at almost any second, you'll see a link to the product in the bottom left corner. Alternatively, you can view all products below the video. Also, links to this and other online stores are in the video description and channel description. In other online stores, you can find the same designs but possibly a different range of products. So feel free to browse and choose your favorite store to order products with amazing Viking cats. Good luck, great mood, and happy shopping!